What school do you go to? What school do you go to?
I go to Sezig. I go to Sezig.
What do you study? What do you study?
I study business and accounting. I study business and accounting.
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
I like economics. I like economics.
Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher?
Mr. Ndiaye. Mr. Ndiaye.
Do you have many classmates? Do you have many classmates?
Yes, more than 30. Yes, more than 30.
What time do you go to school? What time do you go to school?
At 7:30 a.m. At 7:30 a.m.
What time do you leave school? What time do you leave school?
Around 5 p.m. Around 5 p.m.
Do you have homework every day? Do you have homework every day?
Yes, especially in math. Yes, especially in math.
Do you like studying? Do you like studying?
Yes, when it's interesting. Yes, when it's interesting.
Do you eat lunch at school? Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, in the schoolyard. Yes, in the schoolyard.
Is your school big or small? Is your school big or small?
It's very big. It's very big.
Do you have exams this year? Do you have exams this year?
Yes, in June. Yes, in June.
Do you use a computer at school? Do you use a computer at school?
Yes, for research. Yes, for research.
Do you wear a uniform? Do you wear a uniform?
Yes, it's blue and white. Yes, it's blue and white.
How do you go to school? How do you go to school?
By car or bus. By car or bus.
Do you speak English in class? Do you speak English in class?
Yes, in English class. Yes, in English class.
Do you like group work? Do you like group work?
Yes, it helps me learn. Yes, it helps me learn.
Do you participate in class? Do you participate in class?
Yes, I ask and answer. Yes, I ask and answer.
Do you work in an office? Do you work in an office?
No, I study full-time. No, I study full-time.
What's your profession? What's your profession?
I'm a student. I'm a student.
Do you have colleagues? Do you have colleagues?
Yes, at school. Yes, at school.
What time do you start work? What time do you start work?
At 8 a.m. At 8 a.m.
Do you take a lunch break? Do you take a lunch break?
Yes, from 12 to 1. Yes, from 12 to 1.
How many hours do you work a day? How many hours do you work a day?
Around 6 hours. Around 6 hours.
Do you work on a computer? Do you work on a computer?
Yes, almost every day. Yes, almost every day.
Do you have meetings? Do you have meetings?
Yes, once a week. Yes, once a week.
What do you wear to work? What do you wear to work?
A shirt and trousers. A shirt and trousers.
Do you like your colleagues? Do you like your colleagues?
Yes, they're nice. Yes, they're nice.
Do you work full-time or part-time? Do you work full-time or part-time?
I study full-time. I study full-time.
Do you want to change your job? Do you want to change your job?
No, I like it for now. No, I like it for now.